Hello everybody, James again from KSTHL Labels. So, customer woven label. Literally talk about customer woven label. So actually, in the early days, woven label was just simple clothing accessories, and it's not important for customers. But now it is different. All clothing brands, they pay much attention about the quality of the accessories, because a good accessories is not only reflect the samples content, maybe not just like the labels with some brands for some logo on the labels, and now almost the good labels, the good accessories, it is a product decoration, so that's very important. So and with the different function for accessories now, if your clothing products with a very good accessories, really the labels or other accessories is a product decoration. Because we have met so many good brands, the big brands on the world, on the internet, and they always very pay much attention to quality of the labels and the styles. So we also developing some very good labels for the chicken. So they love the labels so much, because our good labels is not only just like the reflect on our logo or some size, some information on the labels. Almost with the labels we can make our products decoration in this mode. So how to say that? That is the customers, the requirement is more high, and in future I think this is very more important. Thank you. Bye.